Welcome to your healing space, a sanctuary where your journey towards inner peace and energetic alignment begins. Take a moment to settle in, breathe deeply, and allow yourself to be fully present. In the next few minutes, we will explore the transformative power of chakra balancing, a practice that has the potential to unlock profound peace, enhance your overall well-being, and align your mind, body, and soul. Whether you are just beginning your exploration of energy healing, or you are already walking the path of holistic wellness, this guide is designed to illuminate the way toward energetic harmony and self-discovery. Imagine for a moment what it would feel like to move through your day with a sense of calm clarity, your energy flowing freely, your emotions balanced, and your spirit uplifted. This is the gift of chakra balance. Today, we will uncover what chakra balance truly means, the often overlooked benefits it brings, and how simple daily practices can help you achieve and maintain this state of inner equilibrium. You will also experience a gentle, guided journey to align your 7 chakras, inviting peace and vitality into every aspect of your life. Let us begin by understanding the foundational concept of chakra balance. The word chakra is derived from Sanskrit, meaning wheel or disc. In the ancient traditions of India, chakras are described as spinning wheels of energy, each corresponding to specific physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of your being. There are 7 main chakras, aligned along the central channel of your body, from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. These energy centers are the gateways through which your life force, also known as prana or chi, flows. When your chakras are open, balanced, and aligned, energy moves effortlessly throughout your system, nourishing every cell, organ, and thought. However, when one or more chakras become blocked or imbalanced, this flow is disrupted. You may experience physical discomfort, emotional turbulence, mental fog, or a sense of disconnection from your true self. Chakra balance, therefore, is the practice of aligning these energy centers, clearing blockages, and restoring the harmonious flow of energy. It is not about perfection, but about cultivating awareness and working gently with your body's natural rhythms. Let's take a closer look at each of the 7 main chakras and their unique roles. The root chakra, or Muladhara, is located at the base of your spine. It is associated with feelings of safety, security, and grounding. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel stable and supported, able to face challenges with resilience. The sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, resides just below your navel. It governs creativity, pleasure, and emotional expression. A balanced sacral chakra allows you to experience joy, embrace change, and connect deeply with others. The solar plexus chakra, or Manipura, is found in your upper abdomen. This chakra is the seat of your personal power, confidence, and will. When balanced, you feel motivated, decisive, and in control of your life. The heart chakra, or Anahata, is at the center of your chest. It is the source of love, compassion, and forgiveness. A balanced heart chakra opens you to deep connections and unconditional acceptance. The throat chakra, or Vishuddha, sits at your throat. It governs communication, truth, and authentic self-expression. When balanced, you can speak your truth with clarity and listen with empathy. The third eye chakra, or Ajna, is located between your eyebrows. It is the center of intuition, insight, and imagination. A balanced third eye chakra sharpens your perception and guides you with wisdom. The crown chakra, or Sahasrara, is at the top of your head. It connects you to higher consciousness, spiritual awareness, and universal love. When balanced, you feel a sense of unity and purpose. Each chakra is a vital part of your energetic anatomy, and together they form a holistic system that influences every aspect of your being. When one chakra is out of balance, it can affect the entire system, much like a single misaligned wheel can disrupt the movement of a vehicle. The journey to chakra balance is about tuning into each energy center, understanding its needs, and nurturing it with intention and care. Now, let's explore the remarkable benefits of balancing your chakras. While many people are drawn to chakra work for spiritual growth, the positive effects extend far beyond meditation or yoga mats. Here are some of the top benefits you may experience when you commit to balancing your chakras regularly. First, mental clarity and reduced anxiety. When your energy centers are aligned, your mind becomes clearer, and you are less likely to be overwhelmed by racing thoughts or worries. decision-making becomes easier, and you can focus on what truly matters. Second, emotional stability and inner calm. Balanced chakras help regulate your emotions, making it easier to process feelings and respond to life's challenges with grace. You may find yourself less reactive, more patient, and more compassionate toward yourself and others. Third, increased energy and vitality. When your chakras are open and energy flows freely, you feel more energized and alive. Fatigue and sluggishness begin to fade, replaced by a steady sense of vitality that carries you through your day. Fourth, enhanced self-awareness and intuition. Chakra balancing deepens your connection to your inner wisdom. You become more attuned to your body, your feelings, and the subtle signals of your intuition, guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Fifth, better sleep and physical healing. Many people report improved sleep quality and faster recovery from illness or injury when their chakras are balanced. The body's natural healing processes are supported by the harmonious flow of energy. Finally, a deep spiritual connection and lasting peace. As you align your chakras, you may experience moments of profound stillness, unity, and connection to something greater than yourself. This spiritual awakening brings a sense of purpose and belonging that transcends everyday concerns. These benefits are not reserved for a select few. They are available to anyone who is willing to explore and nurture their energetic body. The key is consistency and an open heart. Before we move into practical techniques, it's important to recognize the signs that your chakras may be out of balance. Awareness is the first step toward healing. Have you ever felt constantly tired no matter how much you rest? Do you experience emotional ups and downs or a sense of being disconnected from yourself or the world around you? These are common indicators that your energy centers may need attention. Let's look at a few specific examples. A blocked root chakra often manifests as insecurity, fear, or anxiety about survival and stability. You may feel ungrounded, restless, or unable to relax. A blocked sacral chakra can lead to creative blocks, difficulty expressing emotions, or a lack of pleasure in life. You might feel emotionally numb, isolated, or resistant to change. A blocked solar plexus chakra may show up as low self-esteem, indecisiveness, or a sense of powerlessness. You could struggle to assert yourself or pursue your goals. A blocked heart chakra might result in emotional numbness, difficulty trusting others, or an inability to give or receive love. You may feel lonely, resentful, or closed off. A blocked throat chakra can cause trouble communicating, fear of speaking up, or feeling misunderstood. You might suppress your true thoughts and feelings, or struggle to listen to others. A blocked third eye chakra often leads to confusion, lack of direction, or difficulty accessing intuition. You may feel stuck, uninspired, or disconnected from your inner guidance. A blocked crown chakra can manifest as spiritual disconnection, lack of purpose, or a sense of isolation from the universe. You might feel lost, apathetic, or spiritually empty. If any of these signs resonate with you, know that you are not alone and that healing is possible. Chakra imbalances are a natural part of life, often arising from stress, trauma, or the demands of daily living. The good news is that you can restore balance through simple, accessible practices. Let's explore some of the most effective ways to balance your chakras naturally, even amidst a busy schedule. You don't need elaborate rituals or special equipment, just a willingness to tune in and care for yourself. Begin with morning grounding. As soon as you wake up, take a few moments to stand barefoot on the earth, grass, soil, or sand. This practice, known as earthing, helps you connect to the stabilizing energy of the earth, anchoring your root chakra and setting a foundation for the day ahead. Feel the coolness or warmth beneath your feet, and imagine roots extending into the ground, drawing up nourishing energy. Incorporate sound healing into your routine. Listening to solfeggio frequencies, Tibetan singing bowls, or gentle binaural beats can help clear energetic blockages and harmonize your chakras. Each chakra resonates with specific frequencies, and these sounds can gently guide your energy centers back into alignment. Set aside a few minutes each day to listen, either during meditation or as background music while you work or relax. Practice affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce positive energy. For example, repeat to yourself, I am safe. I am grounded. I am creative. I am powerful. I am loved. I am expressive. I am intuitive. I am connected. Speak these words out loud or silently, allowing their vibration to resonate within each chakra. Engage in breathwork. Conscious breathing is one of the most powerful tools for balancing your energy. Try the following technique. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each inhale, visualize energy rising through your chakras. With each exhale, imagine tension and blockages dissolving. Visualization is another potent practice. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and imagine a glowing ball of light at the base of your spine. With each breath, see this light traveling upward, changing color as it moves through each chakra: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. As the light ascends, feel each energy center activating and harmonizing. You can also use movement to balance your chakras. Yoga poses, dance, or even gentle stretching can stimulate energy flow and release stagnation. Pay attention to which areas of your body feel tight or tense, and move with intention to bring relief and openness. Mindful nutrition supports chakra health as well. Each chakra is associated with specific foods and colors. For example, root vegetables and red fruits nourish the root chakra, while leafy greens support the heart chakra. Eating a colorful, varied diet can help maintain energetic balance. Finally, spend time in nature. The natural world is inherently balanced and harmonious. Whether you walk in a forest, sit by a river, or watch the sunrise, allow yourself to absorb the healing energy of your surroundings. Nature has a way of resetting your energetic system and reminding you of your connection to all life. Now, let's take a few moments for a guided mini chakra alignment. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. Rest your hands gently on your knees or lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the base of your spine. Imagine a vibrant red light glowing there, warm and steady. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter, grounding you in the present moment. Now move your awareness to just below your navel. See a radiant orange light swirling gently, awakening your creativity and joy. Allow this energy to flow freely, dissolving any blocks or tension. Next, focus on your upper abdomen, just above your belly button. Visualize a golden yellow light shining like the sun, filling you with confidence and personal power. Breathe in this strength and let it expand throughout your body. Shift your attention to the center of your chest. Picture a soft green light, like the leaves of spring, blossoming in your heart chakra. Feel love, compassion, and forgiveness flowing in and out with each breath. Bring your focus to your throat. See a clear blue light spinning gently, opening your ability to communicate and express your truth. Allow your voice to be heard, both by yourself and others. Now move to the space between your eyebrows. Visualize an indigo light, deep and mysterious, illuminating your third eye chakra. Trust your intuition and let your inner wisdom guide you. Finally, bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a luminous violet or white light radiating upward, connecting you to the universe and your highest self. Feel a sense of unity, peace, and spiritual connection. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing all 7 chakras to glow and spin in harmony. With each inhale, draw in healing energy. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or negativity. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, feeling refreshed and aligned. Remember, chakra balancing is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing practice, a journey of self-care and self-discovery. Even 5 minutes a day can make a profound difference in how you feel, think, and interact with the world. Over time, you may notice greater resilience, deeper relationships, and a renewed sense of purpose. As you continue to explore chakra healing, trust your own experience. Notice which chakras feel vibrant and which may need extra attention. There is no right or wrong way to practice, only what feels authentic and nourishing to you. If you ever feel uncertain or overwhelmed, remember that you are not alone. The path of energy healing is one that many have walked before you, and there is a community of seekers and healers ready to support you. Share your journey, ask questions, and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. You are now aligned, centered, and recharged. Carry this sense of peace and balance with you as you move through your day. Whenever you feel out of sync, return to these simple practices and trust in your ability to heal from within. If you felt the shift today, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. Like, subscribe, and share this energy with someone who might benefit from it. Drop a rainbow emoji in the comments to let us know you're aligned and ready to continue this journey together. May you find harmony in your body, clarity in your mind, and peace in your soul. Remember, the power to balance your chakras and transform your life lies within you. Continue to nurture your energy, honor your journey, and embrace the radiant being that you are. As we come to the close of this guided experience, let's take one final breath together. Inhale deeply, feeling the energy rise from the root of your spine to the crown of your head, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. You are balanced. You are whole. You are at peace. Thank you for joining this journey of chakra balancing for inner peace. May your path be illuminated by the light within, and may you continue.